In this video, I'm going to show you the best FPS boost for NFS Unbound on PCs. So first, you'll go here and type in run, then type %temp%. Select all of these folders and then delete them. Next, you'll go here to this PC, C drive, yes, and then go to Windows. And over here, you'll go to prefetch. So over prefetch, just select everything and then just delete. And then you'll go to settings. Under settings, go to graphics. Make sure you turn this option on. Then find the game over here. If you don't see it, just go to the game folder and select the exe folder. And then you'll click the drop down arrow for the game and then select high performance. And then you'll turn this option on. Next, you'll go here and type in disk cleanup. You'll select all of these, tick on all of these, and then select OK. Now, go to System Properties and select the View Advanced System Settings. Select Advanced Settings, adjust for best performance, click Apply and then OK. Click Apply and then OK. Now what you need to do now is go here to Display Settings. Make sure that you set these scales to the recommended option and the resolution to the recommended option. Next, if you have NVIDIA app, you can actually update and upgrade your drivers. So if you go to drivers, you'll be able to download the latest version. Just make sure you download the latest version for your drivers and update your graphics cards. And that should be it.